Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix event 1000 application error in Windows 11 or 10 that occurs due to a faulty module path or corrupted system file. So let's quickly address this issue. Check for Windows Update. Latest Windows Update plays very important role. So right click on taskbar, click on taskbar settings, home, update and security, click on check for updates and install any available updates. Often new updates solve this problem. Disable Windows Error Reporting Service. Press Win key plus R button together. Type services.msc and press the enter button. In the Services window, locate Windows Error Reporting Service. Right click on it, select Properties, click Stop to halt the service if it is running, set the startup type to disabled, click on Apply and OK. This will disable the Windows error reporting, but this solution is temporary. Repair Windows system image. Press the Windows key, type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. Run the following commands sequentially. Type dism /online /cleanup image /scan help. Press the enter button and let it finish. It may take some time, so patience is highly recommended. Once finished, type the next command. dism /online /cleanup image /restore health and press the enter button. Once finished, type the final command. Type sfc /scan now and press the enter button to check and repair the system file. That's it guys. Once all finished, restart your PC and your problem should be resolved now. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.